Hey, hold a second. Yeah, what I wanted to ask Mick, that Little Red Rooster, when you recorded it, where did you make it?
Howlin Jack Good. What?
Now, I want a serious answer to this question.
No, in London.
Where? Oh, you can't say that.
No.
But don't you make some of your records in America?
Yes.
Where? Here in Hollywood?
Yeah, and Chicago.
Well, I was in Chicago a little while ago, and I came across this restaurant. I went in, and I found a chap singing the blues. I thought he was fantastic, so I booked him. And it turned out to be somebody you know about. In fact, he's quite famous, isn't he? But
yes, well, he was the first one that recorded Little Red Rooster.
was he? When did you... Tell us something about him, Van.
Well, when we first started playing together, we started playing because we wanted to play rhythm and blues, and Howlin' Wolf was one of our greatest idols, and it's a great pleasure to find him booked on this show tonight. It really is a pleasure.
Thanks to Howlin Jack Good.
No, I think it's about time you shut up and we had Howlin' Wolf on stage.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. Let's get him on. Howlin' Wolf, bring him on.